Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So in this video, I'm going to be going ahead and doing a makeup tutorial and recreating Cardi B's Up music video makeup. So this is one of the makeup looks that she wore, and yeah, I just loved actually a lot of the makeup looks that she wore throughout this video, and I wanted to recreate at least one of them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and make sure you want to be subscribed so you don't miss our next videos. And if you want to see more videos from us on this channel, we do hair videos, fashion videos, makeup videos, and lifestyle videos. So definitely stay tuned and definitely watch them at the end of this video. And yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and we're gonna get into this tutorial. Okay guys, so we're gonna get right into this tutorial. As always, I'm going to go in with my Covergirl Trueblend Undercover Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm gonna go ahead all over my lid just in order to basically just kind of get a blank canvas so that my eyeshadow can be more straight and pop more. So next we're gonna go into the Sugabee Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to go ahead, this one is the Kamiah palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade, which is Perfect You right here, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use the same palette, but I'm going to use this shade right here called Sacred Heart. And I'm just going to put that right underneath this color that I just put. So I'm just going a little bit because I don't want it to be too pigmented. I don't want the yellow to come out too much. Just a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna go back and just basically carve out with that first shade again, just to make sure that it's well defined, because that's actually the shade that I want more to come out, more than that yellow. And I'm focusing it a lot in the crease. So next I'm gonna go into my e.l.f. Rose Gold palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here, and I'm gonna put that mostly on the on the crease area. So yeah, I'm just focusing this mostly on my lid, just because I want this to be in the middle of my lid, so it looks something like this. And now I'm gonna go back with that first color and just kind of carve out more the crease, because I really want the crease to be defined. So one thing about Cardi, her creases are always so defined. So that's what I'm trying to do, just defining my crease. I'm literally putting that shade in the crease, because she had kind of a yellowish, nudish shade. So that's what I'm going for. And I'm just keeping that mostly in the crease for now. Obviously we have different eye shapes, but you know, you can make it work to your advantage. Okay, so I went ahead and just kind of put a bit of concealer and put the e.l.f. shade back on, and then I mixed it a little bit with a bit of my setting powder just because I wanted it to come out a little lighter than it was. It was a little too pinky for me, so I mixed it a little bit, and I like how it's looking closer to her look, so that's perfect. So now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes by Kayowa Beauty, and these are in the style Cute, and yeah, I think they'll complete this look perfectly, at least I hope so. Okay, so both of my lashes are on. As you can see, it completes the look perfectly. And I already had like stuff in my inner eye, but I'm gonna go and intensify that. And for that, I'm going to be using this palette by Carli Bybel. And you guys know I'll be using this shade as always in my inner tear duct because I forgot to put it before. And I'm not putting too much because she didn't have that much in her inner tear duct, but I always put some, so I had to. Okay, so next, my lips are already done, so I'm gonna keep them like this because I feel like they are perfect for this look. Like, it's not too much and it goes really, really well. I was going to do glossy, but I think I like matte. Like, I feel like matte fits well. But yeah, this is basically the final look, and this is like the Cardi B Up music video look, and I think I'm pretty close. I think I'm pretty close to her actual look, so I'm pretty happy with the results. So guys, this is the end of the video. This is my version of the Cardi B makeup in her music video, and yeah, I think I'm pretty close, so I'm pretty proud of myself. And you know, I use this with all the makeup tools that I have in my makeup bag, in my makeup collection, so that means you guys can do it too for sure. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
She be mine on love. She be mine on love.